Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the topic equation solvable for x. For that we wish to follow 5 steps to solve this. First we have to remember that dy by dx is small p and dx by dy is 1 by p. First we wish to convert the given equation in terms of x is a function of y and p. That is, we wish to have x in the left hand side, y and p and constants in the right hand side. Then we will differentiate it with respect to y. Then we will do variable separable method for y and p. Then we will eliminate to get the solution. This method solvable for x is especially useful when y is absent. Let's see an example. Let's take this x p cube is a plus bp, where a and b are constants. Remember that this p is dy by dx. I wish to have x in the left hand side and remaining variables and constant to the right hand side. So first I write x p cube is a plus bp. This is what we are given. Then I divide by p cube to the whole terms. So this becomes x and a by p cube, bp by p cube. Cancelling 1p in the last term, we will get x is equal to a by p cube plus b by p square. Taking this p cube to the numerator, it becomes p power minus 3. Similarly, b power 2 to the numerator, b power minus 2. Now we are going to differentiate with respect to y. So x becomes dx by dy. Here we have to remember that p is not a constant. P is also a variable, that is dy by dx. Now a is a constant, so it remains the same. The derivative of p minus 3 becomes minus 3 p power minus 4 into dp by dy, since we are differentiating with respect to y. Remember this formula to differentiate. Derivative of x power n becomes nx power n minus 1. Similarly, b becomes constant, derivative of p power minus 2. So minus 2 p power minus 3 dp by dy. Now writing p power minus 4 in the denominator, will have a into minus 3 by, this becomes p power 4 and this p power minus 3 becomes p power 3. Taking minus 1 by p power 3 in the right hand side and dp by dy, also we are taking these two terms outside. From this we are taking minus 1 by p power 3 and dp by dy. The remaining will be 3a by p. From here we are taking minus 1 by p cube, dp by dy out. We will have 2p only, since both the minus goes out. Cancelling p and p here, we will have p square here because 1p is cancelled. Taking this dy to the left hand side, we will have dy is equal to minus 1 by p square 3a by b plus 2b into dp. Now we will have the y variable in the left hand side, p variable in the right hand side. So we followed the variable separable. Now we are going to integrate it. For that I break the brackets here. I bring the dp to the individual terms. So minus 3a by p cube dp and minus 1 into 2b, that is minus 2b, and p square here, then dp. So integrating on both sides, we will have, also you can take minus 3a is a constant, 2b is a constant. So taking outside for integration, so integration of dy is minus 3a of integration of this term and integration of this term. To integrate this, I bring this p power 3 to the numerator. This becomes p power minus 3 and this p square becomes p power minus 2. To integrate this, I use this formula. X power n dx is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here n is minus 3 in this case and n is minus 2 in this case. So minus 3 plus 1, this becomes minus 2, and minus 3 plus 1 again divided by minus 2. So integrate this, you will have p power minus 2 by minus 2. Integrate this, we will have p power minus 1 by minus 1. And bring this p power minus 2 to the denominator, this becomes p square and this becomes p, and bring the minus to the top, all get cancelled. You will have y is 3a by 2p square plus 2b by p plus c. This is our equation 2. Still you have p here. So to get the solution, we have to eliminate p using equation 2 and our given equation 1. So from the given equation 1 and the obtained equation 2, we can eliminate that I wrote here. By eliminating p from equation 1, that is we are given, and the 2 that we obtained here, we will get the general solution. We can stop here for this problem. Also, I request the viewers to write down the whole problem in your note and follow my instructions. You can understand the problem. So I show this video for 3 seconds here. You can write it down. You can pause it while you write. Thank you.